Right. Take up exercise 4.5. That is the question number 7. Solve the system of linear equations using a matrix method now. Right. That is question number 7 is a 5x plus 2y is equals to 4. 7x plus 3y is equals to 5. Right. Solution. We know that take this matrix A now. The matrix A is nothing but what? Coefficient of what? X and y now. Right. That is 5 and 2, 7, 3 now. Right. And x is nothing but what? Variables. What are the variables here? X and y. Then b is nothing but what? B is nothing but constant values. That is 4 and 5 here. Right. We know that the matrix method formula x is equals to what? A inverse into b now. Find out the first one a inverse here. Right. Take up determinant of a is equals to, okay, or maybe we know that a inverse formula 1 divided by determinant of a into adjoint of what? A now. Right. Find out what is the determinant here? Determinant of a is equals to 5 3 are 15 minus 7 2 are 14. No doubt determinant value is what? 1 now. Right. Now the a inverse is exist here. Right. So therefore take adjoint also. Adjoint of a is equals to, right, change the interchange the diagonals here. 5 3 interchange, it becomes 3 5 now. Right. Apply the sign here. Plus 2 becomes minus 2, plus 7 becomes minus 7. Now it is adjoint of a now. Right. Go for what? Matrix method formula, that is x is equals to a inverse into what? B now. Right. X, that is variables x and y, right, is equals to a inverse of, a inverse is nothing but what? 1 divided by 1 into adjoint of a now. Adjoint of a meaning 3 minus 2, right, minus 7 5. Right. Now it is which one here? A inverse answer here. Right. Into b meaning it is 4 and 5 now. Right. Simplify this one, 1 1 1 now. Right. Negate this one, 3 4 12, plus in minus into plus minus, 2 5 10. Right. Into next term, minus into plus minus, 7 2 14. Right. Minus into plus into plus, 5 5 that is 25 now. Right. Then 12 minus 10, that is 2. Right. 25 minus 14, it's what? 9 11 now. Okay, 11. Right. Take this x and y now. Right. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to what? 11. Y is equals to 11. Right. It was put one day. Answer very fast note. Mistake is problem. Right. Take this 5x plus 2y is equals to what? 4 now. Right. 5 as it is. Right. X meaning that is 2 plus 2 into y meaning 11. That is equals to now 5 2 10 plus 2 11 22. Well verify 32 now. You know mistake 7 4 that is 28 now. Right. 25 minus 28 plus 25, that is minus 3 now. Right. Take this minus 3. Right. Now it is minus 3 here. Right. 5 2s are 10. Right. 10 minus 2 3s are 6 is equals to what here? 4 now. Right. Verified. So therefore x value is 2, y value is minus 3 now. Okay. Right now. Right. Take up question number 8. 2x minus y is equals to minus 2 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 3 now. Okay. Take again, that is the matrix A is equals to, what are the variable of x and y here? 2 minus 1 3 and it is 4 now. Right. X is nothing but what? Variable, that is x and y. Right. B is equals to what? B is equals to minus 2 3 now. Right. We know that x is equals to a inverse into b now. What is the a inverse formula? 1 divided by determinant of a into, that is adjoint of a now. Right. Find out what is the determinant of a here? Determinant of a is equals to 2 4 8. Plus into minus, minus into minus, plus 3 1 3. 8 plus 3, that is 11 now, right? Take up adjoint now, right? What is the adjoint of A here? Adjoint of A is equals to, interchange the diagonals now. 2 4 becomes, that is 4 2 now. Change the sign. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Plus 3 becomes minus 3 now, right? Take up x is equals to, okay. Find out the inverse here. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of value. That is 11 into adjoint of A, meaning that is same here. 4 1 minus 3 2 now. Now it is which answer? A inverse answer, right? Take up matrix method here. That is A is equals to x is equals to A inverse into B now, right? What is the meaning of x? X and y variable. A inverse answer this one by 11 into 4 1 minus 3 2 now, right? Into B now. B meaning that is a constant, minus 2 and 3 now, right? That is 1 by 11 into, right, 4. Now multiplier, plus into minus minus. 4 2s are 8. Plus into plus plus. 1 3s are 3 now, right? Second row first column, minus into minus plus. 2 3 2s are 6. Plus into plus plus. 2 3s are 6 now, right? Then x y is equals to 1 by 11 into, right, minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 6 plus 6 12 now. So therefore x is equals to 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5 divided by 11, and y is equals to what? Y is equals to 1 into 12, that is 12 divided by 11 now. So therefore x is equals to minus 5 by 11, y is equals to that is 12 by 11 now, right? Right. Take a question number 9. 4x minus 3y is equals to 3. 3x minus 5y is equals to 7 now. Right. Take it is a is equals to, right, 4 minus 3, 3 and a minus 5. Right. X is nothing but what? Variables. That is x and y. Right. B is equals to what? Constants here. 3 and a 7 now. Right. We know that x is equals to A inverse into B now. A inverse is nothing but what? 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is the adjoint of A now. Right. Find out what is the determinant for the given question here. Determinant of A is equals to plus into minus minus. 4 5s are 20 now. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus that is plus. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Determinant of A is equals to minus 20 plus 9 now. That is minus 11 now, right? Take the adjoint now. That is the adjoint of A is equals to now. Adjoint meaning interchange the diagonals, right? 4 minus 5 interchange, it becomes minus 5 4 now, right? Apply the sign. Minus 3 becomes plus 3 and this one plus 3 becomes minus 3 now, right? Take inverse here. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant meaning that is minus 11 into adjoint same here, minus 3 minus 5 3 minus 3 and 4 now, right? It is which answer? A inverse answer now, right? Take the x is equals to A inverse into B. Okay, x is nothing but x and y variables is equals to A inverse answer minus 1 divided by 11 into minus 5 3 minus 3 4 now. Okay, into B meaning constants now, that is 3 and 7 now, right? X comma xy is equals to minus 1 divided by 11 into now, right? First row first column, second row first column multiplier. Okay, minus into plus minus. 5 3s are 15 plus into plus plus. 7 3s are 3 7, that is 21 now, right? Next minus into plus minus. 3 3s are 9. 4 7 4s are, that is 28 now. So therefore x y is equals to minus 1 divided by 11 into now, right? Simplify here. 21 minus 15. What is answer? 6, right? 28 minus 9. 19. Which 19? Plus 19, right? Now multiply, that is 1 by 11. So therefore x is equals to minus 1 into 6, minus 6 by 11, and y is equals to minus 1 into 19, minus 19 divided by 11. These are the what? X and y values. Okay, right now. Right, take question number 10. 5x plus 2y is equals to 3. Another one is 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 now. Right, take a is equals to, that is 5, 2, 3, 2. Constants, variables, x and y coefficients here. Okay. X is equals to variable x, y, and b is equals to constants value, that is 3, 5. Okay. We know that x is equals to a inverse into b now. What is a inverse formula? 1 divided by determinant of a into, that is adjoint of a now. Find out what is the determinant of a here. Determinant of a is equals to 5 to the 10 minus 3 to the 6. So therefore determinant of a is equals to 4 now. Right. Same as it is, find out the adjoint of a here. That is adjoint of a is equals to adjoint, interchange the diagonals. 5 2, it becomes a 2 5, change the sign, plus 2 becomes a minus 2, plus 3 becomes a minus 3 now. Right. Find out the inverse here. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant value 4 into adjoint value, that is 2 minus 2, right, minus 3, 5 now. That is which answer? A inverse answer. Right. Take up x is equals to a inverse into b here. Right. X meaning variables, right, is equals to inverse value, a inverse answer 1 by 4 into, that is 2 minus 2 minus 3 5, okay, into b meaning that is the 3 and the 5 now. Okay. 1 divided by 4, keep as it is. Now multiplier, first row first column, plus into plus, plus 2 3s are 6, minus into plus, minus 2 5s are 10, right, minus into plus, minus 3 3s are 9, plus into plus, plus 5 5s are 25 now. Right. 1 divided by 4 into 6 minus 10 now, minus 4, right. Next 25 minus 9 now, 16, 16 plus 16, right. So next one, the multiplier 1 by 4 to minus 4 as well as 16, it becomes right, that is x, y, keep as it is. Next minus 4 divided by 4, again divide here, 16 divided by 4 now, right. So therefore x, y is equals to, right, 4 1s are 4 1s get cancel, that is minus 1, 4 1s are 4 4s are get cancel here, right. So therefore x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to what here? Y is equals to 4 now, right. Check my answer correct or wrong. Take one equation here, 5x plus 2y is equals to 3, right. Now 5 into x value, that is minus 1, plus 2 into y value 4, right. Simplify, it becomes what? Plus into minus, minus 5 1s are 5, minus 5 plus 4 2s are 8 now, right. 5 minus 5 plus 8 that is 3 now, right. Verified. So therefore x value is minus 1 and y value is 4 now. Okay. Right now.